Welcome to SAP Active Global Support. In this video, you will see how SAP Active Global Support collaborates with an SAP partner, Seeburger, to handle critical customer situations via the SAP Solution Manager. The customer uses the Seeburger SAP XI adapter to connect his SAP system to a supplier's third-party system. The adapter is integrated into the customer's SAP system. With the SAP Solution Manager's monitoring capability, the customer's system administrator is able to monitor the performance of the connected SAP systems. Here, the customer's system administrator monitors the performance of the customer systems via the SAP Solution Manager. The SAP Solution Manager shows a critical increase in the customer's SAP system data volume. This is the system with the Seeburger SAP XI adapter. The increase in data volume decreases system performance. Business can be seriously impacted because a core business process is affected. The SAP Solution Manager Service Desk automatically sends a message to the system administrator warning him about this issue. The message includes information about the critical business process affected, as well as technical details. The system administrator uses this information to evaluate the issue. He then sends the message to SAP to have this critical problem solved as soon as possible. The SAP support consultant receives the message in the SAP support system. By reading the message and analysing the technical data that came with it, the SAP support consultant realises that the root cause occurs in the Seeburger adapter in the customer system. The SAP support consultant forwards the message to Seeburger. The collaboration between Seeburger and SAP allows for the quick solution of problems because the customer has one single point of access for his support needs. The Seeburger support specialist has now received the customer message from SAP Active Global Support. To find a solution to the customer's problem, the Seeburger support specialist connects to the customer system using the SAP Solution Manager's remote support functions. The Seeburger support specialist performs a root cause analysis on the customer system. Through the integrated functionality, the support specialist can also analyze the status of the Seeburger adapter. The support specialist recognizes that the high data volume occurred because data sent from the supplier's system to the customer's SAP system was in the wrong format. After having found the root cause for the customer's problem, the Seeburger support specialist sends the proposed solution to the customer. To finally solve the problem, the customer writes an email to the supplier, asking the supplier to correct the data format and to resend the data. After having read the email from the customer, the supplier changes the data format of the data. Then the supplier resends the data to the customer. After having sent the data to the customer, the supplier reports that the data format has been changed and the data resent. Everything works correctly at the customer system after the supplier has changed the data format and has resent the data in the correct format. The data can now be processed by the customer. He answers the supplier's email and reports that everything is fine now. The customer's critical system problem is solved, and he informs SAP Active Global Support and Seeburger that the support request has been completed. The customer has one single point of contact for his problem. It could be solved by a combined effort using the SAP Solution Manager and the SAP support infrastructure and involving the partner and his product-specific knowledge.